Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome again to another live trading session with me at marketpotentials.com. I hope you guys are staying at home, keeping well, and hopefully we'll be able to fight this coronavirus together as a community and get back to the way life usually was. Okay, I'm sure pretty much all of you are doing that, keeping your fingers crossed and stuff. So good. Today I'm just going to share with you a way that although I'm currently stuck at home, I'm still able to make a consistent amount of returns from trading online. Now, I trade online with what is called the binary option trading. And the platform that I use is called the IQ option. The sign up link is down below. You can sign up for a free account, guys. And once you go through the initial sign up process and the verification, you can actually follow through the trade as I'm doing, which is basically a step-by-step way of trading the instruments here. Now, binary option allows you to trade on a number of underlying assets. That includes options, forex, stocks, cryptos, commodities, ETFs, etc. Now, although you have all those options, and I have tried a number of them previously, I now tend to just stick to forex trading because that just offers a heck of a lot more return compared to other instruments, and it's fairly straightforward as well. Now, today's afternoon's goal is going to be to earn $500 in profit. Okay, so the goal is $500 in profit by the end of the trading session today. Now let's talk about how I'm going to make that happen. Okay, now the primary way I use to trade is what you call technical analysis, which is a bunch of all the charts that you see here. What technical analysis allows you to do is forecast the direction of a trade in the future by using signals, okay, so to speak. Now while that is happening, I've just gone ahead and put in a trade. That's for $600 with a potential of profit for 95%, okay, which would earn me a potential of $570 if I get it right. Now I've just basically the white line is the beginning of the trade, and the red line is the end of the trade. So if you forecast it's going to be higher, then it has to end up being higher by the rate, or if it's lower, which is what I did, then it has to be below the red line here. Now, guys, that's in the money, $570.64 for me, which is great. I just pretty much, came up to my potential of what I'm looking to earn in no time at all. Excellent, right, guys? I mean, look at that. That's 95% profit in the account. I literally earned what I set out to do in just one single trade. Now, I was fairly confident in the trade, which is why I was going with $500. Now, I'm going to do, just missed that one there, but that's fine. I'll just put in a second trade to talk to you guys a little bit longer. Well, I'll see, okay? All right, so I've got another 50 seconds to see whether another opportunity is going to come along or not. While that is happening, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about the indicators that I have here. I've got the Bollinger Bands here, the awesome indicator, MACD, and the momentum. Now, these are all fairly simple, straightforward indicators which you can access from the popular section here. Now, guys, if you're entirely new to this, don't worry about it. This is not really rocket science as some people make it out to be. It's really not. All you got to do is basically learn, and you can do a quick Google search. I'm pretty sure that within 1 to 2 hours, you'll be able to kind of get an idea of what you're looking at. Now, in the first trade, I'm up $570, and now the second trade is coming along, and I just put in $100 here, and I selected upwards. So basically, the chart has to end up being higher than the green line for me to earn a potential profit of $95, okay? Now, the good thing is, even if I do lose this trade, I'm still going to be positive for the day, which is fine, but this is just an additional bonus, okay? I set out to earn $500. I'm already beyond that. This is just an added bonus. And as you can see, this is also going my way, which is fine. Now, again, guys, I saw indicators here that you may not be able to see just yet. So that's $95, guys. So let's see, that was $95, and the first trade, let me just recapture my phone, that was 570. 95. So now I'm up $665 in profit, guys. Again, that's a crazy amount of return. Now, if you just stop back, because when I'm trading, I don't actually look at it as numbers. It's purely based on the indicators. But that's $665 in my bank today from trading in a few minutes. And the best part is I'm still at home. I'm still able to do the rest of my stuff that I want to do for the day. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I set out to trade with a goal in mind, and I achieved it in no time at all. Now, not all trades are going to go your way. You have to understand that. Today, in these two cases, it did go my way, which is good. But when things don't go your way, what you have to remember is your goal that you set out to achieve and what's your game plan to do so. So, risk management is always very important. You don't have to start off trading $500 like I did. I do have some experience in it, which is why I trade the way I do. Minimum deposit on the IQ option account is just for $10, all right? So that means 10 US dollars, and you're good to go. Each trade is, you can even put $1 if you wish to when you first start. But subsequently, if you want to earn returns like say $100 a day or $300 a day, then you kind of have to just up your game as you go along as well. So guys, number one, take action. Okay, I've literally shown you how I'm able to do this in a couple of minutes this afternoon. Again, this is a live trading account. 20th of April is today's date, 2020. I'm stuck at home during coronavirus, and I just pocketed $665 in my bank account in profit, guys. Yeah, that's total profit. Again, you get 95% return of investment, which is why I choose forex trading. It just allows this kind of returns, which is crazy. I mean, who else pays you 95% of the kind of money that you put with them or invest with them? So that's pretty much it, guys. I was kind of, hoping to show you a mix of a loss and a gain, but the two trades went my way. Typically, I stick to one trade in a day as soon as I hit my goal. So today's goal was $500. I've more than surpassed that with $665 in the bank. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are staying at home, and if you did like what you just saw, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe on the channel so I can continue sharing content just like this. Again, I started trading 6 years back. I've spent thousands of dollars, months of effort to understand what goes on behind the chart. And the only way you can start, at least in the beginning, is by learning, putting in the effort to do so. So sign up for the account and learn a little bit about technical analysis. A quick Google search will tell you what you need to know about the indicators that I just discussed earlier. And I hope you guys are able to follow, and trade just like I am, because I know a lot of you guys are stuck at home. You have no idea what's happening to your job. Your income's affected. Your family is depending on you, which is entirely the reason why I'm just recording a bit more frequently as well. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button so I can share videos just like this with you. And I'm going to call it a day, guys. Take care now. See you all soon. Bye.